Good morning class, this is your computer class and today we are going to read chapter 4 and the name of the chapter is Microsoft Word and Introduction. Okay, so first I want to you have already learned how to type poems, stories in computer, right? Everybody know? So we can type letters, poems on computer with the help of WordPad programs, right? But in WordPad we can only type simple text, look below the text and find which looks more interesting. Now today we learn about Microsoft Word. Okay, this Microsoft Word is popular word processing software or application software which help us in creating and editing documents. Documents may be an essay, letters, stories. It is also called MS Word in short. Okay, it is part of MS Office package. What can we do with MS Word? Type the letters, stories, reports in a simple way. Give presentable look to the text using different colors, sizes, styles and effects. Add pictures in the documents. Keep the document error-free using spelling and grammar feature. Copy and move the text. Save the documents for future use. Print a part of or whole of the documents. Okay? Now starting MS Word, there are some points which is given in your textbook which help you to open MS Word. Okay? Step 1, click the start button, then click on program and click Microsoft Office. Parts of MS Windows. Title bar. It appears on the top of the screen. Title bar displays the name of the current document. It also contains minimize, maximize and close buttons. Quick access toolbar. It is present on the title bar. It contains common shortcuts like save, undo, print, etc. Now Office button. It is present at the top left corner. It provides quick access to the basic commands like creating, opening, saving, printing and closing a file. Okay class? Now ribbon. The ribbon contains two parts, tabs and groups. Each tab contains commands arranged in different groups. Document area. It is a large white space to type the text. Cursor. The blinking line on the document area is called the cursor. It tells the position of the typed text. Okay. Status bar. It displays the page number, number of words and zoom option. Rulers. It keeps tracks of page, margins, height and width of the page. Editing in MS Word. There are chances that you might have made mistakes while typing text. MS Word allow you to make correction in the document. This is called editing. It means making correction or changes in document to ensure that it is correct. Saving a document. Your Word document is saved in the form of file. It helps you to use it in future. Closing a document. When you use MS Word, you have the option to open many documents in the computer. However, after finishing the work, you need to close the open documents. Opening an existing document. The documents you create in MS Word are saved in the form of files on your computer. When you want to edit or see the document, again you need to open it. So class, this is a summary of your chapter. Okay, now read the full lesson carefully and complete exercise and question answers in your note which is given in study material. Okay, thank you.